Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amit Shriwas. I'm a physiotherapist by profession and I live in Mumbai, and I run my three physical centers and one virtual center uh, all over India and abroad. So I was really benefited immensely, in automation system by Kewal Kishan, and this is amazing system, and only using Google Sheet and Google Form we can do so much things, and actually it was an eye opener. And before that I had inquired with a lot of vendors about automation, and about a lot of apps and softwares. It was very expensive and it was very complex, and I was not able to customize. Even in the past I had taken a lot of services from other vendors and I was not happy at all, and I had burned my hand here and there. But when I, heard about Kewal Kishan automation system, I immediately grabbed the opportunity and joined his program, monthly program, and it's a lifetime program. And then I also joined his higher ticket program of complete automation. So I'm very happy, and these people are very helpful. They understand the business, so I needed a person who actually understands business and accordingly design automation. So they are perfect. So they are perfect people. I mean, for automation services, and not only automation. Their question answer session on every Tuesday. Keval sir actually gives so much insight about business growth, and that is actually very good. Small tips is very effective, and I every time I join their Tuesday evening question answer session. And also I love implementation session on Friday 5 p.m. and they help us live, and help us if any tools I'm not able to use, they help us to how to implement. So that is also very helpful. So far as support system is concerned, it's very effective, and their the dashboard and the tool, the course is actually very easy and very simple and user friendly preface that I like about. So I strongly recommend whoever is a business owners and entrepreneurs, doctors, or any freelancers who is actually looking for entrepreneurship and opening new business should look for automation. And automation is a business changing experience. So I think everybody have to think of automation as a business strategy, and this is one of the department. I learned that this could be one of the department in business activities. So that is so amazing to know that we can do so much business growth by just applying automation systems. Thank you so much.